Hello my people. Stanley Osaze Osano Holding don come out. He don talk say some people wan try follow back of door enter Osadebe Avenue. Which people una think say he wan come follow back of door enter Osadebe Avenue? Anyway, make I leave una with the video more una see am. We dey come back come shook mouth for the matter.
Activist Comrade Stanley Osaze Osano Holding, those who tends to pass through the back door into Osadebe Avenue, we have a responsibility to tell them you cannot get into Osadebe Avenue through the back door. Now we've engaged in a popular vote. In Edo State. And there was an overwhelming victory on the part of His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. Now the question is, are you now trying to take through the court to get into Osadebe Avenue as against the views and opinion of the overall majority? The point is very clear. These persons were not privy to the fact that Obaseki is very intelligent. Some are saying, paste your result. Where is your result? What else are you looking for? You accuse the man of peddling a fake certificate. You accuse him. It is not left for you to prove that such certificate is fake. Why will you not be calling on him to sample his certificate? You were the one who alleged. Because if you follow the court proceeding, now I will get to the court issue. I will not discuss in details because none of us have the right whatsoever to discuss an issue that is already subjected to litigation. But the truth is very clear. As far as we are concerned, for those who alleged that the certificate of His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki is faulty, you are in the best position to provide an overwhelming evidence to show how faulty the certificate is. The question now is, how many of you have seen this certificate? You've not seen, but you allege that the certificate is faulty. Now you have decided to digress from your initial stance. Now you are now saying, check the NYSC period and this one. Does it tally? What we heard from you guys from the initial stage was that the certificate is questionable. Now you are now looking at the year, the month, and the day. Now the alma mater came out through the office of the registrar to say that the governor of Edo State is an alumni of their institution. And they've been able to certify the certificate of His Excellence. The question is, what else are you looking for? Now you said the result is fake or the certificate is fake. You now come and prove. Instead of you calling on the governor to sample the certificate. I will speak to the certificate is everywhere online. Go and check. Now for those, the reason what prompted this video today, I have received so many calls. Comrade Jeffrey from Edos in the diaspora. Comrade Jeffrey, Comrade, are you sure? Now let me tell you, do not worry yourself about Obaseki's certificate. Let me tell you, in case you are not aware, everything about Obaseki is intact. This is the only country where those who their primary six result is still under question. Those who ran to court to say, hello, court. This issue related to my certificate is pre-election era. The court, they ran to Abuja, to President Jonathan and everywhere. All in a bid to subvert the will of the people. These same people, persons who were not able to come out with a memory result. Those who went as far as burning a full education ministry. Today, questioning the certificate of an academic gladiator. Some persons will say, comrade, some persons call me and say, comrade, are you not keep quiet? what we should see, rest your mind. Rest your mind. It is Obaseki to 2024. No matter what they do, they can't pass through the back door into Sadebe Avenue. Now, if you are following up, the case against Obaseki by one small miscreant in respect to the elections of Obaseki.
Una see, una don't see everything when Stallion Sazeus and Hodi they try to explain. We already know now, say PDP, APC draw PDP go court. Wetin be the matter and wetin una come reason? Wetin una think say go happen next? Una think say APC go win PDP about this forging of certificate? Una think say APC go win this case? Where anything una come see, una drop una opinion for comment section. We go meet for the next video.